Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Zero number 139A. This is a piece of aluminum head and jamb protection with closed cell sponge neoprene. Okay, this is the 139 is representative of the profile of the item. The A means that the aluminum is in a mill finish. It's also available in a D for dark bronze anodized finish as well. Sponge type neoprene, it's dense, it feels spongy versus the closed cell rubber neoprene that is like car tire actually. This is spongy, so it's going to be it's going to be significantly more flexible. It would certainly be more appropriate for use as perimeter gasketing, a head and jamb protection, as they say. There is an image below this video showing the important dimensional properties of the item. Let's go over that now. You can see that the overall height of the holder is 1.25 inches. It doesn't give the overall height, which is 1.75 inches. So you got 1/2 inch down here, sure. Maybe 7/16. The projection is basically 3/16 of an inch, 0.195 inch. Very appropriate for use as an astragal as well. If you were to install that vertically, you'd be able to have that lap over the other door. That would work out very well as a seal. But perimeter gasketing, head, the two jambs, is where this is going to really fall into place, this sort of material. Aluminum, closed cell sponge neoprene, black insert, mill finish, flame resistant, self-extinguishing, and non-staining. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, which is very handy because it will allow you to review on page 3 actually this and all of Zero's sister products as it pertains to this material. Okay. Different sizes primarily is what you're looking at in terms of the projection, different profiles as well. This material is a bit larger surface area, certainly something that's going to be conducive to providing more surface area, more seal is the bottom line. This is going to rest across the face, this will rest on top of the stop of the frame. This would make contact with the face of the door, this lip. So it's going to be installed vertically for the jambs in the head and horizontally, the two jambs and then horizontally at the header. This is going to be available, this will be used in exterior conditions where the need to weather strip is great. You want something long lasting, something durable, something heavy duty. The 139 is a great option for doing that. This is available on the site in all of the common lengths from 2 foot to 8 foot. If it's not available in sets, let's say you're doing a 3070 door, if it's not available as a set, you'd order one 36-inch piece and two 84-inch pieces. That will get that done for you and get you 17 feet worth of the material. And you just order it in pieces like that. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now the reasoning is this. This happens to be a 5-foot piece because it's used for a double door at the header. If this were a 3-foot piece and you needed to cut it to say 32-inch, you'd certainly eliminate that first slotted hole that's here. Okay, so you're stuck drilling another slotted hole because the next one's all the way over here. Now it's very helpful to have the slotted holes prepped at the factory because, especially when you're doing weather stripping, absolutely, there's a lot of instances that can collude to give you misfitting weather stripping in spite of your best efforts. You could have a sill that's not level, which is going to take the frame and make it not plumb. You could have a door that's warped. You could have a door that's been improperly fit. You could have jambs that are kicked in or out. And all of these things will come together to potentially give you fits when you're trying to place the weather stripping on the frame just so that it makes appropriate. Not too little, which is akin to not having weather stripping, and not too much, contact with the face of the door. Too much, of course, will put you in a position of not being able to latch the door. If you've got a door closer on the door, you don't want your weather stripping to prevent normal operation. And in the instance of fire rated doors, if the door is not latching automatically, it's not a fire rated door technically. So slotted holes are crucial because they'll allow you to tailor the exact position, which also helps compensate for a misdrilled hole. You know, when you're pre-drilling your screw holes, that drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces into the steel, wood, aluminum, stainless, bronze, fiberglass, whatever you're drilling into. Certainly if you've not used a center punch. So the slotted holes are nice. They're going to give you that exact positioning that's really crucial, and they'll also help give you some forgiveness for a misdrilled hole. So if you ordered a custom length, we'd not only locate that first slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. Now the insert's held on with an adhesive until you make the permanent attachment with the screw, and they even have the back side of the insert prepped for the screw to go through it, which is part of what separates Zero from their competition. Other things that separate Zero from their competition is evidenced from the link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up their full line product catalog and review their quite unique, even proprietary solutions to weather stripping problems. In my estimation, there's no other weather stripping manufacturer that has gone as far as Zero has from their inception to think through the solutions of weather stripping and quite unique things. If you have more than an occasional need for weather stripping, or if you are more than occasionally put in a position of needing to find an unusual solution for an even less common problem, Zero's a good go-to. And plus, if you ever get into acoustical ratings, any sort of sound transmission control, Zero's name is going to be the leading company when it comes to sound transmission control, or STC gasketing. Finally, that link to the manufacturer's page will show you the product catalog as mentioned, the link to all the different Zero items that we sell, along with a link to the manufacturer's website. If you have any questions on the Zero, number 139A, mill aluminum and sponge type neoprene insert, or any other Zero product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.